Okay, hello and welcome back to another episode of How Not to Make Games. And today I have only 30 minutes left for my game development journey, and today will be a fast day to-do list. That's fast. It's even that fast that I tried to search for my to-do list inside my console. So where we left off, first thing first, I wanted to spend some time in this enable chef canvas section because yesterday I managed to ask this enable chef canvas. Shelf canvas. This is my enable shelf canvas, and let's just comment out this thing, and in case of testing this first let's just comment out that section of code and play this. Something is still wrong because in addition to these scripts, etc., let's just find my question load manager and try with the question 12. Nothing happens. Question 10. Okay, something is weird. Question 9. Question 9 looks working good. However, question 11 looks like a problem. Looks like there is a problem also. Enable the field transfer all field traveler, shelf array. First of all, in this updated code, first of all, I disable all of the shelves inside this shelf array. Find objects of type A, shelf array, and disable all of them. If this or this or this, okay, let's just check the enabled shelves. Log shelves enabled plus question number. Let's play this, and shelves is enabled. 11, 110, 110. Do I have anything 110? No. 11 apples. Okay, uses grapes. Why only the grapes 2 field is enabled? 112. Okay, that's weird. That's weird. Let's just remove these two and try it again. Grapes, apples 2 and grapes. Grapes 2, apples 2 and grapes. Grapes 2, apples 2 and grapes. Why? What why? What is the base name? Nothing. Okay, something is weird. Something looks weird. Grapes 2, apples 2. But this is my current question is 11, not 12. Let's just try this with 12. And no shelf is enabled. Because of this. 12, 13, 14, and 15 for the last question. Okay, when I try to load grapes 2, apples 2, and grapes 2. Grapes 2, apples 2, and grapes 2. Here is the bananas. 113. This is also 113. Yes, this is also 113. It's just 113. Bananas is over here, grapes is over here, apples 2 is over here. Whereas apples are over here. Apples are over here. This is the question. So what's working right now? 13, 113, and 213. 12, 112, and I will need 212. Okay, let's just make a notepad here. For the question 11, what I will need is 100. For the question 2 and 212. Question 13, 110, and 213. 13, 14, 114, and 214. 15, 115, and 215, 15, 16, 160, and 260. So first of all, let's just add, instead of 213, instead of the answers, let's just remove components and remove components, and that's good. Okay, this is for the question 12. This is for the question 12. 11, 11, 12. Let's just go like this. 11, 12, 13, 15, and 15. Actually, this should be 60, 50, 40, 30. Okay, 30 is already here. 40, 30, 12. Let's add the answers. Let's add the possible answers for all of these. Okay, this question, these two guys can have the answers, which will be, this is 12 and this will be 112 and 112, right? 112 and 212. Nothing happened. How about changing? Okay, 112, 212. Question is not 11. Okay, 212. There is nothing for 212. Why you don't have any value? 111, 211. Why you don't have any value? Manages to correctly sums up this thing. Nothing happens. There is no shell canvas. 211, 112, but 112, but nothing happens. Nothing happens. Why? Why? How about changing the question to 12 and adding two more answers? It is for question 11, which is 12, and this is for question 13. Let's just add the component space 113 and component space new 13. This is my question 13, which is bananas 2, grapes 2, apricots 2. Question 12. And right now I needed to, let's just add this as answer. New 100, 114 and 114. Bunch of answer. Here is the answer. 13, 113, 213. For the question, yields 3, 2, 2. Why? Why 2? 213. 2, 2. This is for the question. 13, 113, 213. Yeah, I do not understand. If this is 13, then the next one should be 14. Currently I'm loading the question 12. Needed to load the question 13 right now. 114, 214, and this is 14. But it says bananas 2. Does it say bananas 2? Okay, let's just continue and try this with question 11. When I try to load the question 11, I have 12 and 112. 112 and 212. In here it says 11, 111 and 211. 3, 4, 5, 11, 111, 211, 211. Each of them are enabled. 112, 113. Okay, that's weird. That's really weird. Sections. This should be 12, but the name is not related to this 12. Shelf enabled. Shelf enable canvas. If this canvas is enabled, shelf, next question number after the shelf is emptied, -1 to string. Okay, can I hold this also inside my own enable? Is the key, other text key. Yes, apples here, bananas here, grapes here. I find my problem. Just also set this as null in order to solve any disabled and enabled issues. This is for grapes, bananas, apples. Okay, for the next question, grapes 2, bananas 2, apples 2. For the next question, apples 3, bananas 3, grapes 3. Yes, looking good. And for the next question, I remember that I do not have any. Yes, transfer them in 14. Last question and question. This question here. Yeah, add these guys. The fourth ones for this chapter. And finally, the fifth ones. And for the final elements, this is my question 14. Then I will need there's 114. It says it's already there. Actually, I will need 15. Sorry. This is question 14. I will need 15. This is question 15, and let's set 115 to here, 15 to here, and 115 to here. Also, I will need it to add for 16. Where is 16? 16 is here. Component, this component is new, 116. And another component, this component is new, which will be 216. So let's just try them. This is for question 4, and for the fifth one, this is for the question 5. When my character goes over, identify other product that has undergone a similar percentage. Okay, this is the question field, I guess. And these two should be the answer fields. So let's just add a boolean. Variables field as boolean is this shelf is answer field. And let's get this boolean over here as one line. Let's say that next question shelf is, as I remember, it should be like this. If the next question shelf is empty, it is above 100, then true. Okay, is it like this? Like this? How do you say? How can I write one line if statement in C sharp? Okay, so let's just try this one. And is this shelf is answer field? Yes. Is this shelf is answer field? Yes. Is this shelf is answer field? No. So if this shelf is answer field, then after player touches question, chapter 3 intro text. Okay. Okay, today was a good day. It looks like my time is ran out. So, working in chapter 3 is finalized. Let's go over my to-do list. Load text fields if statements updates should be carried out. Finalized. For each question, you should have 3 different shelves. Okay, I add this also. Right now, is the shelf answer fields is added into the shelves. You need to update the question and check answer functionality. This is the first thing I needed to carry out. Also for the question load manager or question load manager, questions bigger than 11 updated. Yes, that's all for today, and today was a good day. I managed to add some functionality, and I have resolved one bug, and I'm one step closer to finalizing this game. And thanks for watching till now, and hope to see you tomorrow morning. So see you.